rolling. What's up, everybody? Big one for you today. Big. You wanted it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, 7 months. I don't remember. It's a long time you wanted this one. We concentrate on some other stuff, but we built into, yes, you ready? I'm gonna say it. Is that what a Phoenix sounds like? Maybe not. I don't know. It's close. Phoenix 920 Elite. We've got it for you. Are you ready? 920 Elite over under coming at you right now. Here we go. All right, boom. So, I'll tell you the story, because I got a little bit of time. We are live, just so you know. You might see Chad walking around. Neil might be mad over here, but here we go. I'm gonna tell you the story. I'm gonna say middle of winter, we make a phone call to Phoenix. Call, no answer. So I just pushed them off. I'm not a guy just with one try. I like to do 2 or 3, maybe even 4, because I'm just Andy. I'm just this little YouTube guy bouncing around, pretending like I know everything, which I don't. But anyway, here we go. So we call them, they don't answer. Jordan and I do other brands, we take care of other people, we do some other stuff, and then all of a sudden Jordan's like, hey, let's call Phoenix, see what happens. So the other day we call Phoenix, I get on the phone, it rings like twice, and boom, they pick up. I get a secretary, I don't remember her name, but she was very nice. And I say who I am, what I'm doing. She says, yeah, hold on 1 second. She fires me to a Jeff Hartung. Anybody know that name? Jeff Hartung, Phoenix? If you don't, you should go look it up. Jeff and I had a conversation for probably 45 minutes about the company, the boat, where their future's going, who they are, what they've done, some extra things. It was a great conversation. It was literally like I was talking to a guy that I know, a guy that was like, I just want to talk to you about my boat. I want to talk to you about why we build boats. I want to talk to you about the passion. I want to talk to you about employees. He just poured it all in and was like, yeah, no, this is it. This is what we are here at Phoenix. So I'm going to get to that at the tail end of this, but we're going to start you off with your Phoenix 920 Elite right now at a starting price. You ready? Starting price. Here we go. $71,995. $71,995. $72,000. Why not? You know, I like to round up. I do it every time. $72,000 for a starting price. All right. The coolest part about this whole boat, what I'm going to tell you right now, is all we had to do was take 112 that it comes with at this base package price, and we move that to the front. We're adding 2 10s, poof, at the console. We're gonna take the manual jack plate, throw that alongside the road, because that's what we do, for someone to pick up, because that belongs over there, and we add in our Atlas. That's all we had to do to change it from what they give you for that $71,995. So, and we had to add the Mega 360. We had to add the Mega 360, we had to add 2 10s, and we had to add the jack plate. All right, so the 920 Elite comes loaded. I mean, it is loaded for $72,000. Literally 12, 112, 31s, cranking battery, twin sticks, manual jack plate, 20 feet of madness, and you can go boating. I mean, literally, it's loaded. But we like to, let's say, overload the boat when we're doing these things, because we've done it since the beginning. We're not going to change now. Why? Why would we change? Right? So I'm going to get into it right now. So you got the Mercury 250 Pro XS. Comes with a prop. SST prop. Ooh, that's in on this price, just so you know. So you got the Pro XS 250. Up front, you got the trolling motor and battery. So we got the Ultrex 112, 45-inch shaft. Same one we've always done. We got the 331s. We got the 127. Boop, boop. And we got the 4-bank charger. All in there, okay? We got the console electronics, same as always. So what we did, it came with 12, like I said. So we're taking this 12, just moving it to the front. It comes with the mount, comes with the dual mount already set up. So we're taking the 10, moving it, we're taking the 12, moving it up front, and we're putting the 10s, boom, boom, side by side. So we're adding them to the price. So then we move to the bow, like I said, we took the 12 and put it up front. So we put the stacker up top, up front for the 112, so it's all linked together. We link it all. Now you get into the miscellaneous options. Like I said, it comes with a custom cover. It comes with a hot foot and slide. It comes with a manual jack plate, which we threw alongside the road in the gravel, and we added the 10-inch Atlas to it. It comes with blinker, lever, not paddle trims, blinker trims. It comes with that. It comes with the padded Pro deck. It comes with the culling system. It comes with the precision dual mounts. It comes with the stainless prop, like I said. It comes with 2 power pole blades, if I didn't say it already. It comes with the custom rod. It comes with the snake light. It's loaded. It's freaking loaded. It really is. The trailer options are the F2 jack comes with, the ratchet tie downs, which everybody comes with, tandem axle trailer with brakes, the gator hide finish, which is basically road armor or Line X or whatever, swing away tongue, and it comes with the Velocity wheels. That's options that are all just, here you go, let's just do it that way. So I guess when it comes down before tax, title, license out the door to you for what we had to add to this boat, are you ready? Drum roll! Still got it, I love it. That was weak. Good Lord. All right, you ready? $79,544 before tax, title, license. Under 80K, 20-foot boat, 250, stainless steel prop, dual power poles, 10s, 12s, 112, 3 batteries, 1 over here, 4 charger, ready to go boating, hot foot, blinker / lever trim on the console, ready to go. Padded front deck, snake light, all the options, trailers loaded. Yeah, maybe one of the best ones I've done yet. Maybe one of the best ones I've done yet. When you get a boat that comes to you, and I'm going to tell you where I got all the pricing from because I'm going to talk to that a little bit later, but when you get a boat price that comes to you, here's your mill, this is what you're going to get, 72,000 bucks, and all I have to do is flick 1 unit and it rolls to the front. I add 2, take 1 off, put it on, put a Mega on, 360. We're golden, literally golden. I mean, this is our boat with little to do. Not like the other ones where we had to get rid of this, get rid of that, put this in, move this over here, buy some brackets over here, do this, got to add power poles, got to throw a jack plate on it, got to put a blinker / lever trim. I mean, this is, Phoenix had it figured out when they built this boat. So starting price of 72,000 rounded up, ending price of 80K. 72 to 80K. That is the only thing different, and you are loaded to the hilt for $80,000. Loaded, ready to go boating. So let's get back to the company a little bit. Let's just rewind. That's what I like to do. Keep you hanging, if you know what I mean. You want to hear this. So when I was talking to Jeff, I said, give me what makes this 920 Elite what it is. Tell me what this 920 is. He said, let me tell you. We had the 920 Pro XP, and then we had the PHX. We took both of them, wrinkled them up, put them together, and came up with this boat, the Elite. Because we had so many people that wanted this, they wanted that, they wanted this, they wanted that. So we took the two, boom, vacuum sealed them together, and came up with this boat. So they took the rough water out of the PHX, they took the speed out of the Pro, and they came up with the Elite. They said they got the rough water boat in the mid-70s running boat. Everybody wanted it, that's why they built it. So they took it all and put it together. And I asked him, I said, well, does anything change, like the live wells? Your live wells change? He said, no, from the 819 all the way up to the 21 footer, the live well system's the same. It's all the same system. And then I started talking to him about company and how they're built and this, that, and the other. He told me they're assembly line. So basically, start to finish, everybody's got their job. They know what their job is. They get it done. He talked extremely highly about all the employees there. Talked highly about the company, about how their passion is fishing. They're just a bunch of guys and gals that want to go fishing, that love the outdoors. They want to be part of doing what they do. They build the quality because, like he said, he took the words out of my mouth. He goes, if I'm going to spend that kind of money, I want something with quality. And yeah, I mean, he's giving you way more than anybody else is for what you're getting. And I was asking him about boats. He's like, we're doing like 30 boats a week. They want to do like 30 boats a week. That's a lot of boats, people. 30 boats a week. And he said, we could probably do more. He said, but you know what happens when we try to do more with less people? Is the quality goes down. He didn't want to be part of that. He didn't want to be part of the quality going down. Now, not everything's perfect. We all know that. But when he talks about that, that means they understand the process. They understand from start to finish that if we get more push and we got less people, we're not going to be able to produce what our namesake is. And when I say that, their name is, I would say, probably when it comes to independent boat manufacturers right now, I would say in the bass boat industry, they are probably the leader of independent. When I say independent, non-big conglomerates of anything going on, not 6 boat companies, 2 boat companies. You know, it's Phoenix Boats. They're building bass boats, and they're building with quality, and they're building with pride. and that is huge. And I said, well, what's the outlook of them? How backed up are you? He said that we're probably 12 weeks out. You know, you order a boat, you'll see it in 12 weeks. I said, really? He said, but he goes, there's something about our boats. He goes, start to finish, we have more of a 2-week process than most companies. They leave them in the mold for 2 weeks. So they'll leave them in the mold to hold. And I'm not going to get into detail with it because we could be here forever, but it's basically taking pride in the quality of product. They're making sure that stuff is cured. They're making sure that the boat itself is set and ready to rock and roll. For when it leaves, it pops out of that mold and it goes to the next line. That boat is perfect. It is perfect, perfect, perfect. And that just talks highly of the company, the workers, and who you're buying the boat from. And speaking of that, so when I was telling him I tried to get a price from Jeff, he's like, no, I can't do that. I don't want to give you no pricing. He goes, I want you to call somebody. I want you to call. And I said, well, who do you want me to call? He said, why don't you call Twin Lakes Marine? They're close by. They're a great dealer for us. Call them up. So, all right, call, get back on the phone. I think that's all I do is sit on the phone, but I really don't. I call down there, Twin Lakes Marine. Dave answers the phone. I'm like, Dave, yeah, Andy, Team Marine Service. He's like, who, what? And I went through the whole spiel with him. He's like, yeah, I think I watched some of your videos. I said, well, I'm doing one on the 920. He's like, perfect, yep, whatever. He gave me all the specs. He's the one that gave me these, what it comes with. He's the one that took the time out of his day. He's the one that said, yeah, it comes with this, comes with it. Had a good conversation about him with boating, with future, with everything. It was just good to talk to that guy too over there at Twin Lakes Marine. Dave over at Twin Lakes Marine, definitely spot on. Phoenix, you got a great dealer at Twin Lakes Marine with Dave and those guys over there. He took the time to talk to me, took the time out of his day to just tell me about the boat, tell me about this, tell me about that. Cool part is this weekend, April 10th and 11th, this weekend only, 10th and 11th, Twin Lakes Marines have an open house. They're gonna have some pros over there. They actually invited me over. I don't think I will. I think my son's got some hoops this weekend. But Twin Lakes Marine is having an open house this weekend. You can get over there and see these Phoenix boats. You can go sit in them. I think they're even gonna have test rides this weekend. So the 10th and 11th, get over to Twin Lakes Marine. If you got any inkling on these Phoenix boats and you got any questions, get over there and talk to those guys. Or just give them a call, see what they got, you know. The good people to talk to. I talked to Dave, like I said, 15, 20 minutes, and it was awesome. It was just fun to talk to him and fun to be around the guys that actually are like, yeah, no, I'll do that for you. Let me talk to you. Let's explain what's going on. So if you're looking for a Phoenix boat, call Twin Lakes Marine. Get over there, give them a call, and talk to them about that boat. And if you really want to go see one sitting on, I think, like I said, test ride this weekend, 10th and 11th, Twin Lakes Marine, Twin Lakes, Wisconsin. Get over there and we'll do a test ride. Tell them Andy sent you. See what they say. Andy from Team Marine sent you. I watched the YouTube and I was told to come over here. So that'll be interesting. It'd be cool to see how many guys go over there. But anyway, that's it, man. 920 Elite is done. We finally got some info, but it wasn't like we were pushing them. 2 phone calls. On the second one, we got the information we need to. Jeff Hartung, awesome guy at Phoenix Boats. Dave at Twin Lakes Marine, awesome guy at Twin Lakes Marine. Phoenix Boats, you are undervalued. You are undervalued. You make a quality boat. I've worked on your boats. Customer service wise, top notch. Top notch customer service in the industry. I am not a dealer of Phoenix Boats. Phoenixes have had problems here in big tournaments. They have called me personally to go fix that stuff. I've done 2 or 3 of those jobs, maybe 4 of those jobs for them. Anytime there's warranty issues here, they never worry about anything. They just say, just get it fixed. We'll pay you, we'll fix it. Tell me what we owe you. They're unbelievable. Phoenix Boats, you are top notch. You are top notch in customer service. You never make it difficult for my secretary to get parts. You never make it difficult to talk to people. Phoenix Boats, you are definitely undervalued at $80,000 for what we got. Awesome. The 920 Elite is definitely undervalued. Phoenix Boats, you are definitely quality built. From the inside out, all I can say is thank you. Thank you, Phoenix Boats, for taking me, Jeff Hartung, for talking to me, Dave over at Twin Lakes Marine. Awesome to talk to you. All right, what we want you to do is comment here below. Comment below on what you want us to do next. Not that we're running out, but we like to have volume of people to call because sometimes we can't get a hold of anybody. So comment on some stuff. I know some of you guys are talking about some aluminum boats. We're not going to talk about some of them because they won't get back to us. We've made several phone calls to a couple of them boat companies. So they're going down on the list. But definitely tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you want to see. I know we've got some things coming with some smaller tin boats. We got some of that stuff. We got some bigger tin boat stuff. And we always got bass boat stuff in the market. But definitely comment below here. Comment on what you're thinking. What's next? What's next that you want to see? and we'll try to get to it. We got some months, some time here. We'll try to figure it out. So that's it. As always, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to witness the madness that I hope every Phoenix boat owner is saying. Speed, money, and no brakes. I'm gone.